Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to smash that like button.
With the grinder complete, stand complete, I need a way to move it around. I bought some of these high test wheels, 300-pound wheels. I'd like to put them underneath the stand. However, I want the ability to retract them so it'll sit solid on that sturdy base that I made. I got some 3/4 inch steel rod, some DOM that I think will sleeve over that to create some bushings, and this Acme or trapezoidal thread that I'm hoping will help me force it up and down like a lead screw. Get some 1/4 inch cold rolled. I'll cut some patterns out of those for the brackets and wheel hubs, for lack of a better description. So let's see what we can do. right, so I've got the brackets laid out here. The parallelogram that I'm hoping will raise and lower the wheels. Initially I had designed it to have 2 lead screws, so the top of the parallelogram could move when the lead screw would affect both pivot points. But I realized where the crank is would need to be able to raise and lower as that parallelogram raised and lowered. So I went to a different approach, cut these 2 dog bones out, and the parallelogram now is going to have a link in the middle, something like that. So this lead screw will push it forward and back. Let's see if I can get you a better look at this. So the connector now is these 2 dog bones. These will be the 2 axles down here on the bottom. And as the lead screw pushes or pulls this away, this parallelogram will be forced either down or up. Now, the wheels pivot off of here below, so they'll be on a similar swinging pendulum down here. So the next steps is to weld these to the axle, these uprights. I went with a little longer lever here, hoping to get some force with that lead screw, and then of course weld the wheels to the same axle. The tough thing with that is it's all going to have to be welded in place to ensure that the angles are right and that nothing binds when it moves. So I'm going to disassemble the belt grinder, flip it up on its head, and see if we can't get this done. All right, so I've got the linkage mocked up here. I just got it tacked. Make sure these stay in phase. As you can see, the side pieces are also tacked in. They of course hold the axle for the wheels themselves. You can see the wheels are designed to cam underneath and lift the weight of this up if this all works right. This lead screw will act like a half nut, if you will. When I feed this captured on this pivot, it should pull this towards this captured point, camming the wheels underneath. So I got it all mocked up here. You're gonna watch the first trial here. I'm trying to tighten this down a little bit. So it is collapsing. Hey, look at that. So it did cam. You can see it's taking the full weight. Excellent. Now in reverse, should set it back down on the feet. I need some stops there so my lead screw doesn't pull out. Oh, I'm real happy with that. That's the first time any project of mine's ever worked the first try. I'm gonna weld this up, disassemble it. Still need to make a handle for this crank and then get some paint on it.